Children, see, this is 12th standard State Board Maths chapter 8 exercise 8.6 8th sum. Let z of x comma y equal to x cube minus 3x square y cube, x equal to s e power t, y equal to s e power minus t, s comma t belongs to R. Find dou z by dou s comma dou z by dou t. See here, what is the formula for dou z by dou s? dz by ds is different and dou z by dou s is different. What is the formula for this? Dou z by dou x into dou x by dou s. Dou z by dou x into dou x by dou s plus dou z by dou y into dou y by dou s. Dou z by dou y into dou y by dou s. First you can take it as z of x comma y. Z of x comma y equal to x cube minus 3x square y cube. Now dou z by dou x. With respect to x, it gives 3x square because partially differentiate with respect to x we are doing. 3x square minus 3 into 2x into y cube. That x square become what? 2x into y cube. So what is the value? 3x square minus 6x y cube. Minus 6x y cube. Dou z by dou x. Dou z by dou y. Dou z by dou y equal to. Dou z by dou y equal to, there is no y term in the first one. So it become 0 minus 3x square because it is in a product into 3y square because n into x power n minus 1. What is the final thing? Minus 9x square y square. Then we move on to x. X equal to s e power t. We should find out the value of dou x by dou s. Dou x by dou s with respect to s we are doing. So s become 1. It is in a product, so you can write as it is e power t. So dou x by dou s equal to, what is the value we are getting? E power t. Next y. Y equal to s e power minus t. So dou y by dou s. Dou y by dou s. The same thing, s become 1 into e power minus t. So it gives e power minus t. See what is the value of dou z by dou s equal to. Dou z by dou s equal to, what is the value of dou z by dou x? 3x square minus 6xy cube into dou x by dou s equal to e power t plus dou z by dou y equal to minus 9x square y square into e power minus t. So it gives, you can, with respect to s only we are doing, so you can change the value x by s e power t and y by s e power minus t. See here, 3 into x square. What is the value there? S e power t the whole square. S e power t the whole square minus 6 into s e power t. What is the value of y? Yeah, s e power minus t the whole cube. S e power minus t the whole cube into e power t plus into minus become what? Minus Plus into minus become minus 9x square. X value is what? S e power t the whole square. S e power t the whole square. Y value is S e power minus t the whole square into e power minus t. E power minus t. See here, 3s square, 3s square, 3s square e power t the whole square, e power t the whole square, a power m whole power n, a power m whole power n equal to a power mn. So e power 2t. The value is what? E power 2t. So into e power 2t minus 6 s e power t into s cube e power minus 3t. S cube e power minus 3t into e power t minus 9s square e power 2t, 9s square e power 2t into, the same way you can write it here also. What is the value? S square e power minus 2t, s square e power minus 2t into e power minus t. See, dou z by dou s equal to, dou z by dou s equal to 3s square e power 2t minus 6 s into s cube s power 4, s power 4 e power t e power minus 3t. If the bases are same, we can add the powers. E power t minus 3t, t minus 3t into e power t minus 9 s square into s square s power 4, s square into s square s power 4 e power 2t e power minus 2t. The same thing, bases are same, 2t minus 2t into e power minus t. So it gives 3s square e power 2t minus 6s power 4 e power minus 2t, e power minus 2t into e power t minus 9s power 4 into e power 0 into e power minus t. What is the value of e power 0? Anything to the power 0 value is what? 1. So see, you can bring it inside. 3s square e power 2t into e power t minus 6s power 4 e power minus 2t, e power minus 2t into e power t. Bring it e power t inside. E power 2t into e power t minus 6s power 4 e power minus 2t into e power t minus 9s power 4 e power minus t, because e power 0 value is 1. See here, 3s square e power 3t, because if the bases are same, you can add the powers. Minus 6s power 4, minus 6s power 4 minus 2t plus 2t. What is the value? E power minus t minus 9s power 4 e power minus t. So dou z by dou s equal to 3s square e power 3t minus 6s power 4 e power minus t minus 9s power 4 e power minus t. What is the value? Minus 15s power 4 e power minus t. Value of dou z by dou s Now we move on to dou z by dou t. See, dou z by dou t equal to, what is the formula? Dou z by dou x into dou x by dou t. Dou z by dou x into dou x by dou t plus dou z by dou y into dou y by dou t. Dou z by, we already found the value of what? Dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y. The same value you can substitute here also. Now we will move on to the what? Next one. Dou x by dou t. What is the x value? X equal to s e power t. Dou x by dou t. Dou x by dou t, s is constant, but it is in a product. With respect to t we are doing. So s e power t. S e power t. Next, y equal to s e power minus t. Y equal to s e power minus t. Dou y by dou t. Dou y by dou t equal to s e power minus t. Then you move on to the differentiation of minus t. What is the differentiation of minus x? Minus 1. So with respect to t we are doing that also partially derivative into minus 1. So it became minus s e power minus t. Now everything we will substitute in this formula. We will get the value of dou z by dou t. See, you can substitute the value of dou z by dou t equal to 3x square. 3x square minus 6x y cube. 3x square minus 6x y cube into s e power t plus dou z by dou y minus 9x square y square. Minus 9x square y square into s minus s e power minus t. So it gives 3x square minus 6x y cube into s e power t. Minus into minus become plus 9x square y square into s e power minus t, because minus into minus become plus. Okay. See, you can substitute the value of x and y here. What is the value of x? S e power t. Value of y is s e power minus t. So 3 into x value is what? S e power t the whole square. 3 into s e power t the whole square minus 6. X value is what? S e power t into what is the y value? S e power minus t the whole cube into s e power t. See, x value is s e power t the whole square. Y s e power t the whole square into s e power minus t the whole cube into s e power t plus 9 into what is x square value? S e power t the whole square. S e power t the whole square. Y value is what? S e power minus t the whole square. Y value is s e power minus t the whole square into s e power minus t. S e power minus t. See, dou z by dou t equal to 3 into s square e power 2t. I told you in the previous sum itself, e power 2t minus 6s e power t. 6s e power t into s cube e power minus 3t. In this formula, a power m whole power n. Exponential we already seen that in the exponential. S e power t plus 9 into s square e power 2t s square e power 2t, s square e power minus 2t, s square e power minus 2t into s e power minus t, s e power minus t. So it gives 3 s square e power 2t minus 6 s into s cube s power 4, s into x cube s power 4, e power t e power minus 3t. If the bases are same, we can add the powers. So e power minus 2t, t minus 1 minus 3, 1t minus 3t minus 2t into s e power t into s e power t plus 9 into s square into s square s power 4. E power 2t into e power minus 2t is what? E power 0. 2t minus 2t e power 0 into s e power minus t. So 3 you bring it inside, that is e power t, s cube e power 3t, s square into s become s cube e power 2t into e power t, bases are same. So 2t plus 1t become 3t minus 6 s power 5, s power 4 into s power 5 e power minus 2t plus 1 2t e power minus t, e power minus t plus 9 s power 4, e power 0 value is what? 1, s into s power 4, s power 5 e power minus t. So see here 3s cube e power 3t, 3s cube e power 3t minus 6 plus 9 plus 3 s power 5 e power minus t. So you can take it as 3s cube is commonly out. What is the remaining thing left out? E power 3t plus s square e power minus t, e power 3t plus s square, because s power 5, 3 I am taken out. So s square e power minus t. See the ninth sum, w of x comma y comma z is given. 3 values are given, x value, y value, z value. Find dou w by dou u. So what is the formula for this? Dou w by dou x into dou x by dou u. Then dou w by dou y into dou y by dou u. Then you want the z also, because z value is also given, plus dou w by dou z into dou z by dou u. First you should find out the value of w of x comma y comma z equal to xy plus yz plus zx. Dou w by dou x, with respect to x I am doing. So this term 1 into y, there is no x term, so 0. Here z, so what is the value I am getting? Y plus z. Next dou w by dou y, dou w by dou y, y become 1, x into 1 plus 1 into z. Here no y term, so 0. So what is the value? X plus z. Next dou w by dou z, dou w by dou z equal to, dou w by dou z equal to, first one is 0 because there is no y value. Next one is y into 1. The next one is 1 into x. So y plus x, y plus x. See here, what is the first one? Dou x by dou u, dou x by dou u. With respect to u I am doing, what is the value I am getting? 1. Next dou y by dou u, dou y by dou u. dou y by dou u. U become 1 because it is partial derivative. You are getting the value v. Next, dou z by dou u. Dou z by dou u. Dou z by dou u. That also the value is 1. That also the value is 1. See, dou w by dou u equal to y plus z into 1. Dou x by dou u is 1. Next, x plus z into v. This value dou y by dou u is v. Next, y plus x into 1. Y plus x into 1. So, what is the value for this? Y plus z plus xv plus zv plus y plus x. So, you will write, see here, y plus y 2y. Y plus y 2y plus z plus xv plus zv plus x. xv plus zv plus x. Now you substitute the value for y, z and x. What is the value? 2 into what is the value of y? Y is uv. Y value is what? uv. Z, what is the value of z? Plus u plus v plus what is the value of x? X is nothing but what? U minus v. U minus v into v. U minus v into v plus what is the value of z? U plus v. U plus v into v. X value is what? Plus u minus v. Plus u minus v. See, dou w by dou u equal to 2uv plus u plus v. You multiply v inside, become uv minus v square. uv minus v square plus uv plus v square. uv plus v square plus u minus v plus u minus v. See here, minus v square plus v square get cancelled, plus v minus v get cancelled. What is the final result here? See, 2uv, uv, 3uv plus uv, 4uv, 4uv plus u plus u, 2u, u plus u, 2u. Dou w by dou u. At point, they have given what is the point? 1 by 2 comma 1. This is for u and this is for v. It gives 4 into 1 by 2 into 1. 1 by 2 into 1. You can substitute the value for u by 1 by 2 and v by 1. Plus 2 into u value is what? 1 by 2. U value is 1 by 2. Get cancelled 2. Here also cancel. What is the final thing? 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So the value of dou w by dou u is 3. Now we move on to dou w by dou v. What is dou w by dou v? Dou w by dou x into dou x by dou v. Dou w by dou x into dou x by dou v plus dou w by dou y into dou y by dou v plus dou w by dou z into dou z by dou v. Dou z by dou v. So what is w of x comma y comma z? We already seen. X comma y comma z we already seen. So you should find out the value of dou x by dou v. So x equal to u minus v, dou x by dou v equal to, with respect to v we are doing. So we'll get the answer minus 1. Y equal to uv, dou y by dou v with respect to we are doing, see, v become 1, u into 1 equal to, what is the answer? U. Next, z equal to u plus v, dou z by dou v. So 0 plus 1, so the answer is 1. Now you substitute everything in the given formula. See, dou w by dou v, we can substitute all the values here. See here, y plus z into, what is the value for this? Minus 1 plus x plus z into, what is the value for this? U. Then plus y plus x into 1. Y plus x into 1. So it gives minus y minus z plus xu plus zu plus y plus x, plus y plus x. Minus y plus y get cancelled. So what is the remaining thing? Minus z plus xu plus zu plus x. Now you substitute all the values. Minus z minus of u plus v. Minus z minus of u plus v. Plus, what is the value of x? U minus v into u. U minus v into u plus z. Z equal to u plus v. U plus v into u plus x equal to u minus v plus x equal to u minus v. So dou w by dou v equal to, dou w by dou v equal to minus u minus v plus u square minus uv plus u square minus uv plus u square plus uv, u square plus uv plus u minus v plus u minus v. So see here, minus u plus u get cancelled. Minus uv plus uv get cancelled. So what is the remaining thing? 2u square. 2u square minus 2v. 2u square minus 2v. So dou w by dou v at point. What is the point? 1 by 2 comma 1. Can substitute the value uv. So it gives 2 into u. U is nothing but what? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 the whole square. 1 by 2 the whole square minus 2 into 1. So it gives 2 into 1 by 4 minus 2. When we cancel, what is the value? 1 by 2 minus 2. 1 by 2 minus 2. See, dou w by dou v equal to 2 as the LCM. So 1 minus 4. What is the value? Minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2.